Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to enable Google Authenticator on Binance. Open the Binance app on your mobile phone. Tap on the Binance icon shown at the top left corner. Now go to the Binance account by tapping on it. Tap on Security and select the Authenticator app option. Tap on the Downloader Authenticator app option and install it. After that, enter your verification code. For that, you have to reach to your Gmail app. In your inbox, you will see a pop-up verification code email. Copy the verification code and paste it into the Binance app. After that, copy the 16-digit code provided here. Go to the Google Authenticator app and get started. Continue with your Google account. It will show you the black screen by the app due to verification. Now go to the Binance app and tap on Next. Add the Authenticator app code in the provided place. After that, you will see the Authenticator app and the Google Authenticator will be enabled. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.